let's say if someone has given me two triangles and they are similar. So I know that two triangles are similar. It means that one triangle has just been expanded to make the other one. It is just a replica of this triangle only, but it has been expanded from all sides. So this is the basic understanding which we have developed right now. So if this triangle and this triangle are similar, it has just been expanded. So can we directly, fairly interpret that if these two triangles are similar, then let's say if this angle is A, I'll just name this triangle as ABC and this one as PQR for our understanding. And if this angle is angle A, then this angle P would be the same as angle A. Why? Because it has just been expanded. The angle would remain the same. If the angle would change, then can we judge that the shape of the triangle would change? And the shape shouldn't change because it has just been expanded from each side. So this angle, the behavior, the way it is turning, the side is turning, it should remain the same. So if this angle is A, this angle P, both these angles should be equal. Angle A should be equal to angle P. Similarly, angle B should be equal to angle Q. And angle C should be equal to angle R. This angle are equal, this angle and this angle are equal, and this angle and this angle are equal. So we know that if two triangles are similar, then all the angles inside the triangle, which are 3, would be the same, exactly the same. So this is the first rule. It is known as the AAA rule. This is the first requirement. If anybody asks us whether two triangles are similar or not, so first of all, I'll just try to judge through the angles. So if in two triangles, the angles are exactly the same, in the same order, it should be, they should be same and in the same order. For example, I'll just walk over here. It's angle A, then angle B, then angle C. It should be exactly in this direction, angle P, angle Q, angle R. So we can directly say that, okay, this is exactly the same, and we are able to check this thing through the logic which we have just developed, that expansion logic. So two triangles are similar, we can directly see that the angle should be the same, or vice versa. If the angles are same, or if two triangles are given to us as similar, then we also know that these angles would be same. So again, we also know that. The next logic is this, that if two triangles are similar, then their sides would be proportionate. What we have just discussed. Then whatever be the ratio of this side AB, and this side PQ, whatever is the ratio of this side AB and this side PQ, same would be the ratio of this side AC and this side PR. Why? Because we have just judged. Because if we have just expanded this triangle, then whatever multiple this expansion has been done, the same multiple will be there for this side as well. The multiple would remain the same. So it means that we can directly interpret that AB upon PQ would be same as AC upon PR, and this would be same as BC upon QR. So in the case of similar triangles, we know that the sides are in proportion. And similarly, we can even say it the same logic can be actually discussed, can be told in this manner, that AB upon AC would be same as PQ upon PR. I've just interpreted this point from here. If you just cross multiply this AC over here and take this PQ over here, then we can directly say that AB upon AC is equal to PQ upon PR. So it is just another way of telling this thing, but the logic actually comes from the sense of expansion which we have just developed ourselves. So if two triangles are similar, we know that the angles would be the same. In both the triangles, the angles would be the same. This is a given. And the sides would be in proportion. Why? Because it is just the expansion of the original figure. Then the sides would be in the same proportion. Let's say if I multiply this side by 5 and it becomes this. Then if these two triangles are similar, then this side also would be multiplied by 5 for this side. So this is the logic. This is the basic understanding. So if two triangles are similar, then we are directly able to interpret through this understanding. So let's actually do certain questions which are exactly based upon this thing. Just keep this thought in your mind and now apply this logic in solving this question, which is very straightforward. You just have to answer yes or no with a reason. Solve this one. So we are given these two triangles and the question was this, check whether the triangles are similar or not. So in this figure ABC and in this figure PQR, we can directly see that if these two triangles are similar, then the ratio of the side should be the same. So in this case, this side 2, from 2 it becomes 6. This side from 2 it becomes 6. So I'll just try to actually check this thing. If you just interpret, we have to check whether these two triangles are similar or not. So this 2 and this 6 are not comparable. We can see that this is being multiplied 3 times. But if I just take this figure, this one, and look it from this side, this BC, if I make it sort of vertical, 2.5 over here, I'm just rotating this figure in my mind, and this base, this B comes here, this C comes here. I've just rotated this figure. So this AB comes here, which is 2, this is 2.5, and now this is 3. AC is 3. So now if I compare this figure with this one, so I can see that if AB is 2, then on doubling this AB, I get 4, which is QR. So AB upon QR is 2. AB upon QR. I have AB upon QR is 1 by 2. And similarly, BC upon RP. BC upon RP is again 2.5 upon 5, which is again 1 by 2. So I'm happy with the logic which I have done in these two parts. Similarly, AC upon QP. AC upon QP, which is 3 by 6, is also 1 by 2. So I can see that these two triangles are similar. It might have created a confusion in your mind because this figure was we have done a rotation on this figure. So that rotation was the main task in this question which was to be understood. So if someone just displaces the figure in a sense in front of us, we should be able to interpret this thing well, which is very basic. So we have just seen that these two triangles are similar now.